What tasks can a civil engineering company outsource? In civil engineering and design, there are many tasks to proceed in each project. It's recommended that you choose what you should do the most and outsource the rest. Here are tasks that you can outsource to an outsourcing provider: grading objects, surface modeling, earthworks balancing, utility network design and modeling, alignment and corridor modeling, plan sheet setup and create, detail reproduction, as-built production, land survey drafting. Your daily workload will greatly reduce when you outsource your work to a civil engineering and CAD drafting outsourcing provider. You also get huge benefits of outsourcing, including reducing human resource costs, saving work and office costs, saving money from infrastructure investments, having a quick turnaround time, working on multiple projects at the same time. Outsourcing your projects allows you to use engineering resources whenever you need and only pay whenever you have projects. We work hard around the clock to give you the time to focus on the critical design tasks, while we focus on the time-intensive drafting, details, and modeling to give you an accurate and clean design at an affordable rate. If you are keen to find out more about how our firm can support you to boost your projects, contact us today.